Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Farhana Izzati binti Muhammad Anwar, matrix number AS11800. Our leader is Muhammad Imran bin Abdul Salam, AS11935. Teammates are Nurjihan binti Mahzan, AS11506, Nurin Adriana binti Shahriman, AS12207, and Shuaida binti Abdul Razak, AS12242. Shall we enter the world of animation? Let's go!
Plastic. Everyone knows what is plastic, but not everyone knows the bad side of plastic. People think this is unimportant unless it impacts their lives. But do people know what happened to these plastics? This is what happened. 2021, we expected modern solutions. Pointing a finger to people won't help reducing problems because the three other fingers are saying that we have to start it. We have to be pioneers. Do you know why we are charged 20 cents for plastic? Because that 20 cents can save a life. What life? We need to develop ourselves first towards the zero plastic usage in the world.
So next, we will move to the mechanism and structure of plastic. We need to know that most plastic contain organic polymer. The majority of these polymer are formed from chain of carbon atoms with or without the attachment of oxygen, nitrogen or other atoms. These chains comprise many repeating units, which we call it as monomer. Polymer can be divided into two. First, we have natural polymer and second is synthetic polymer. Natural polymer is a polymer that can be found in plants and animals, while synthetic polymer is a man-made polymers that widely used in our daily life. And today, we will focus more on synthetic polymers, which is plastic. On the molecular level, plastic are made of polymers which are long flexible chain of chemical compounds, which is monomer. This allows plastic to be easily molded and shaped under high heat and pressure. Most of plastic today are man-made and derived from fossil fuels. But recent industrial methods use variants made from renewable materials like plants to make plastic. So this is an alternative to lessen the effect of plastic to our earth. Things like biodegradable plastic are one of results from this alternative. Next, we will move to the mechanism of formation of plastic. This mechanism can be called as polymerization since plastic is made of polymer. There are two types of polymerization which plastic can be classified. First, we have condensation polymerization, where monomer react with each other to form larger structural unit and produce byproducts such as water. Second, we have addition polymerization, where the formation of polymer that forms by simple linking of monomer without produce other side product.
Plastic are very dangerous because it contributes to greenhouse gas emission, devalue marine ecosystem and choke the wildlife that make our ocean so diverse. Plastic pollution cause harm to all living things through toxic pollutant. It can take hundreds or even thousands of years for plastic to break down. Chlorinated plastic can release harmful chemicals into the surrounding soil, then seep into underground water or other surrounding water sources. This can cause serious harm to species that drink the water. Next is example of plastic. First, we have polyester, high density polyethylene, PVC, low density polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene and other. Here is example of plastic structure. You can see that there are different structure for each plastic. And that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.
Now, let's move on to the next part. In order to achieve zero plastic usage, we must know how to reduce the use of plastic in our daily lives. There are several ways that can be used to save our earth. Firstly, we can bring our own reusable grocery bags while go shopping. You have known that a single plastic bag can take over 1,000 years to decompose. So, it is better for us to use reusable bags rather than plastic bags. Next, avoiding bottled water because it not only adds to plastic pollution after use, but its production demands a massive amount of fossil fuels that also contribute to environmental degradation. Switching to a BPA-free reusable water bottle will benefit the earth and your health while saving your money. Otherwise, stop using plastic straws and purchase a reusable stainless steel or glass straw.
I would like to ask you guys, how many of you that do not use any form of plastic? We all surrounded by plastic. So today we have a very special guest. Come in. Hi polyethylene. Poly, all people around the world keep using you in their daily life and did not apply a recycle habit. You are causing so many harm to the earth.
Well, I know people do not notice how capable I am. Although I am beneficial to them, but somehow I give more harms to them.
So why do people keep using you instead of other materials? Your friends like glass, woods also can be used.
Meh, I am light and unbreakable, not like them. Plus, yes, I admit that other materials that are just good, strong and versatile like me, but they all cost a fortune to produce. I am cheap to make, that's why they choose me.
Okay, that's it. Get out of my face. You bring harm to the human environment. I don't like you. By 2025, we will have 3 times more plastic and majority of marine animals will have plastic in their stomach. Human will eat them and plastic will be inside us.
Plastic brings us no good in the future, so let's swear that we will reduce the usage of plastic and save our planet. If not us, who? If not here, where? If not now, when?